Zillow. You guys understand, many of you, I am addicted to this app because whenever I'm driving through a new area of Florida or wherever I'd happen to be at that time, I just open up the Zillow app and it tells me what all those houses are going for, including our pal Grant Cardone's house, Pete, which is, I think, 43 mil on Golden Beach. But anyway, Zillow saw positive movement. Homeowners listed properties, buyers' activity slowed. That increases inventory. So on the one hand, Pete, you could say, well, increases inventory, maybe that's more that could be sold. Certainly that is the case. Is the increasing inventory because people are unrealistic about prices that they're asking and people are unwilling to buy at those prices? Also, probably. I'd say that this one moved up also on the strength, Pete, of the belief, ill-founded as it may be, that we are close to a rate cutting cycle by the Fed. I don't believe we are. I don't think 62% out in September is exactly like, yeah, let's wave the flag and believe that we're going to see a massive cut in September. Maybe, but there's a lot more data between here and September, Pete.
I think that when you look at Zillow, you have to take a lot of things and kind of put it together and just to make those decisions. Obviously, inventories are up. The sellers that are out there, guys like me, I have my house on there, as a matter of fact. So guys like me, they're going to have to adjust along the way and try to push themselves in the right direction. And hopefully, if we do see anything in terms of cuts, and like I said, John, I see one maybe, and the one would be September. We might, it's a big stretch, get out in December if everything lines up. Maybe we see another one, but I think that would be a max of 2. A huge effect on what happens with these houses, the buying and the selling and everything else. I think that's going to be big, and I think that's why people are pretty excited about Zillow right now.
Yeah, well, it's a nice move to the upside for that stock today, Pete. And, you know, there are a whole bunch of stocks that Pete and I talk about, folks, that will be very reactive to the belief that the Fed cuts rates, and there will be the opposite group that goes to the upside when the Fed says, nope, we're going to sit on our hands for a while longer. But Zillow and Builder, BLDR, are two of my favorite picks for when rates actually do go down. This is a one-day move. Let's see if Zillow can sustain.